Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mahesh Karya. You're watching me on YouTube now, and in this session, I'm gonna take you through Node.js 19 version. Of course, Node.js 19 is ready to use, and a few days before it got released, and there are a bunch of new features that is really very helpful uh, that we are gonna explore in this today's session. So, if you see here now you don't need to use node1 hopefully, so now directly you can use watch. Okay, let's try this out. So I have VS Code in my system. You can use any editor, by the way, and you have to have the latest node version available. I'm assuming that you guys are using nvm node version manager, so it's really very easy to grab node 19. If not, let me show you. Okay, command J. If you are using nvm, you just need to check nvm install v19, hit enter, and once you have it, then you can directly check node-v. So now I can use, let me use nvm use v19. Okay, and now I'm using 19.1.0. So otherwise you can directly download it from here and install it. Simple. So now the another thing is we need to test this out. Is this really happening or not? So index.js console.log, hit enter. Okay, and here I'll say watch. Okay, it's happening. Okay, okay, this is working really very great. So no need to worry about this thing. HTTPS 1.1, keep it alive. This is really very cool feature. If you are not familiar about it, let me show you. So if you go to the inspect element, and if you go here inside networks, okay, let me refresh this page once again, and select all here, and I need to click here and enable this connection ID, and you can see here the connection ID. Okay, this is 1 1 1 1. Okay, so this thing is coming from node. This is from another, this is also from node, so this is coming from the same ID, so it will keep it alive and for some time, I guess. And this is the 1.1 feature. HTTPS 1.1 feature is, it is really very cool, because every time if you create a new TCP connection, it definitely to improve performance, this feature was very important, and keep alive is really very important in this 19 version. Okay, so the 18 version, they finally introduced 18 version as a LTS version, so now you can use 18 as a LTS version. So apart from that, they have this stable web crypto. This is really very fantastic. If you don't know about this, for any kind of encryption you can use this. Okay, like you can skip your JWT. No need to install JWT. There are bunch of other security mechanisms that you can find inside this web crypto. If you are still not aware about this, uh, see this global.crypto that you can directly use, or simply you search for web crypto npm. Okay, you will get this uh, WebCrypto official docs, and you can go through this. You will learn lots of new things about encryption things and all. So let me click here. Okay, this one. Let me scroll down now. Here you can see you just need to do this. Okay, and like the way you can these are the hashing algorithms that behind the scene you use in your JWT. Here we used to say GWK, JSON or web key, I guess. So like the way you can import crypto behind the scene. Okay, and you can proceed with this thing. So there are a bunch of new things that you can code and decode and parse the data and lots of bunch of other things that you can do here. So yeah, let me close this up quickly. And here it was experimental before, but now you can use it. The another cool feature, it comes with the npm 8.19. so this is also really very good thing. Okay, and if you want to go deep dive into ll http, you just need to go to official uh, github, and you will understand this parser, why we use it. And since I haven't spent that much of time on this thing, but this looks really very nice. uh, Based on the performance, they did some kind of to do faster performance, they write this library. So you can go through this if you want, guys. Like, apart from that, 18 version going to LTS, as I said. So that's another cool thing. So three new things that I really enjoyed. First one, no need to use node one. Another one, KeepALive to improve performance. Okay, HTTPS 1.1. uh okay, and stable WebCrypto. Okay, 1.1 we are already using, but KeepALive is a mechanism that allows you to send uh, multiple requests with using same connection ID. So it will keep alive for 5 seconds. Yeah, the default is 5 seconds. You can increase up to, I don't know, up to you. Okay, so this is it for this today's tutorial, and thank you so much all of you guys for being with me, supporting me all the time. It's been pleasure to be here. Please let me know inside comment box what you want from my side. Definitely I'll make it for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't already, and smash that like button if you enjoyed. And see you soon in the next video. Thank you so much for your time, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you.